Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. This is a jwari dosa with prawns filling which my mother had prepared for breakfast and it was really yum. Jwari dosa is easy to prepare if you have jwari flour and it's healthy too. There is a seller who comes to sell fish in our society. Ma bought some prawns and mackerels from him and she decided to prepare some prawns curry. So today's video is going to be a recipe video. So do watch the video for prawns curry recipe. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it if you like my content. For prawns curry, we require 1 cup freshly grated coconut, 14 to 15 dry red chilies, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 nutmeg sized ball of tamarind and some chopped onions. Make a fine paste of all these ingredients. In a heavy bottom vessel, add 2 tablespoons of oil, half chopped onion and saute it till it turns golden brown. Then add 10 to 15 prawns. We have used small prawns. If you're using bigger ones, then you can add 8 to 10 prawns. Then add chopped radish or muro. We have taken 2 big sized murre here and 2 drumsticks cut into 4-inch pieces. Normally either muro, that is radish, or bhene, that is ladyfinger, or drumsticks or shengo are added, but we had few pieces of drumsticks left, so just added it to the curry. Then add salt, water and cover it and let it cook for 2-3 minutes or until the radish is cooked well. Once it's done, add the ground paste and add 2 cups of water. Mix it well and allow it to simmer for 2-3 minutes and then add half chopped raw mango. This raw mango wasn't that sour, so we added full chopped raw mango except for the seed. Allow it to simmer for 2-3 minutes and prawns curry is ready. We had prawns curry and rava fried talle, that is sardines, prawns and bangde, that is mackerel, and walichi bhaji, that is long bean stir fried for lunch. was pouring heavily in the evening, and we had some steamed groundnuts or ukrili bhikna as we call it in Konkani with tea. The previous day, I had gone to a nursery to buy few plants. And I bought 2-3 plants and repotted them. This is the spider plant that I got from the nursery, and I'm repotting it in a new plastic planter. I'm repotting it with some coco peat and vermicompost. This is the vermicompost that I'm using. It's from Sanjeevan, and I had bought it from Goa Bagada. I had posted a pic on my Instagram handle of the planter that I recently brought from Panjim market. This plant is going in that planter. Since it's an aesthetic planter with no outlet for water, I'm just gonna place this plastic planter in the main one. And since spider plant is an indoor plant, it doesn't require much water too and just looks pretty. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment and share it with your friends and family. We'll be back with a new video. Until then, goodbye.